Wait, 72.
Fine.
Nissan has a car for every driver.
Oh, that's cool.
More action. More fun. More guts.
It's okay.
More answers. More adventure. More electric. At Nissan, more is all we do.
Your local grocery outlet invites you to shop us first. We are your one-stop, first-stop bargain shop. Locally owned and operated in your neighborhood. Grocery Outlet knows what you're looking for. And now through Sunday, save even more at your neighborhood Grocery Outlet Bargain Market. See this week's ad at groceryoutlet.com for a coupon for $5 off an in-store purchase of $25 or more. Exclusions apply. See store for details. Only through Sunday, October 1st at your neighborhood Grocery Outlet Bargain Market. Grocery Outlet Bargain Market. In California, we're on a journey to make energy cleaner, safer, and more reliable. At PG&E, our goal is to get there without leaving any family behind. We're undergrounding lines because it's safer and more affordable in the long run. We're helping our customers lower costs by choosing the right energy plan and taking control of their bills with predictable budget billing. As your hometown utility, we won't stop until we deliver the safe, reliable, renewable, and affordable energy you deserve.
My little brother's friends have been camped out at our place for 2 days straight. 3. It's because of the Xfinity 10G network. Internet that can handle a house full of screens at once with basically no interruptions. And it's only getting faster. When I was their age, internet like this was a pipe dream. You sound like my grandpa. Please go home. The next generation 10G network only from Xfinity. The future starts now. Now through December 21st, new customers can get 1.2 gigabit internet on the Xfinity 10G network for just $25 a month for 2 years with no annual contract and Wi-Fi equipment included when you add Xfinity Mobile with unlimited data at regular rates. Go to xfinity.com/10G, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit a store today. Requires people's phone auto-sales to our bank account. Restrictions apply. Taxes and fees extra. Xfinity Mobile requires Xfinity internet. After promo, regular rates apply to internet service and Wi-Fi equipment. Actual speeds vary.
At Bank of America, there's one question we ask our customers to learn what matters most. It's not how much money do you have. It's not even how much money would you like to have. No, our question isn't about money. It's about you and what you want to achieve. Because that's what's most important. So, what would you like the power to do? Bank of America. Bank of America N.A. member FDIC equal credit opportunity lender.
Jim Gaffigan here with some more straight talk. Let's take a moment to appreciate our sweet children, loving grandparents, and eternal soulmates. Now let's use them to save money on wireless. Because with the Straight Talk Silver Plan, you get 4 lines for just $25 a month with unlimited data and no contracts. So add those human bonds, loved ones, and save money.
Ooh, Maxine was just about to ask me.
Straight Talk Wireless, available at Walmart.
Get 4 lines on Silver Unlimited for $25 per line per month, plus taxes and fees. For data management practices and additional terms, visit straighttalk.com.
Sometimes the pop culture we love to stance hits differently in retrospect. Maybe it's a tabloid story we couldn't get enough of, or an illicit student-teacher relationship on our favorite show. We're Susie Bannicarum and Jessica Bennett, hosts of the new podcast, In Retrospect, where each week we'll revisit a cultural moment from the past that shaped us, and probably you, to try to understand what it taught us about the world and our place in it.
You're the first person that I've talked to about this for years and years.
Listen to In Retrospect on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you find your favorite shows.
Star 1013 Bay Area traffic.
We have a backup in Concord from a stall westbound 4 before Willow Pass Road. It's in the left lane, and you're backed up from Bay Point right now. 2-car crash in San Jose, South 280 before Bird Avenue, Center Divide. Look for a backup from Winchester.
This report is sponsored by Bay Alarm.
When it comes to your business, protect what matters most with Bay Alarm. They'll work with you to design the right security system and send their expert technicians to install it. Worry less about your people and your property with Bay Alarm, because they got you. To learn more, visit bayalarm.com.
Get ready. G-Idol is coming to iHeartland on Roblox. For a limited time, head to iHeartland at State Farm Park for an epic performance, including their single I Do from their upcoming EP, Eat. Don't miss it starting Friday, September 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern at iHeartRadio.com/iHeartland.
This is Star 1013 with more variety from
2000s.
Something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.
And from today.
Thanks for listening, Bay Area. On your radio, on Alexa, and anytime at star 1013 on the free iHeartRadio app.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
news.
I hope she didn't get. Cause she looked at the license plate. I hope she did not